We have got this big 3 BHK available on sale in Kanakya beside Cinemax, a very good option if anyone is looking for a big spacious 3 BHK in good range, in good price, with all around big balconies. You can see this big L living space, your dining area over there, your sofa set, everything, and you can get this big balcony over here with left and right both storage spaces and a garden facing view. The building name is Rashmi Complex, Rashmi Tanmay, and the garden facing view, again we entered from there. Your living space, you can add your lamp over there above your living space, living dining area, and this is your big size L-shaped hall. You can add your sofa set. This is your kitchen with gas pipeline, with storage space, with both sides parallel lofts and with up down lofts. Again, a big size living space of this kitchen and a dry balcony area, both spaces on the left as well as on the right with a good height. And you have got this garden facing view again in this flat. So this is a 3 BHK. You can see this space here, a big duct over here. So it is a very spacious kitchen with a dry balcony, spacious dry balcony available. So very good option if anyone is looking for a 3 BHK. Your gas pipeline over there, your lofts everywhere around. If you will refurbish this house, you can be in a big house. And this is your common washroom. You can see the space of this common washroom, a long common washroom, your one master bedroom, your common bedroom, and your second master bedroom. Two master bedroom, one common bedroom, one common washroom. Now let's check out this master bedroom with this master bedroom washroom. This is your washroom and this is your big living space of this bedroom. You have got the wardrobe space, your big balcony over here, and you can see the area of this building around, and you can see this all other buildings. There is your Kanakya highway. You can see the main highway. We entered from here, and this is your internal road of this complex. So this is a very good option, and this was your living space of this master bedroom. We got to know that this is a master bedroom, your wardrobe space over here, and this is a big size with this washroom. So one master bedroom over here. Now let's check out the another one. Now this is your common one and with a balcony, and this is your common bedroom, and we have got this common washroom outside. So it is a common bedroom with this big balcony again and chill there, and this is your whole society view from here, your internal road view and everything around. So it is a very good common bedroom also. So very good option. And below, so now let's check out the another bedroom. This is your common, which are the hall, the kitchen, your master bedroom, your common, and this is your one more master bedroom, big wardrobe space over there, big balcony, and this is your big master bedroom with a walking wardrobe space. You can make a walking wardrobe in your this master bedroom. So this is the best option is everyone is looking for a 3 BHK, your best option, because you can make a walking wardrobe in that bathroom. So it is a very good option with this big balcony, again chill there, a big balcony, a sleek balcony, all the garden facing view, and this is a bright option with this big duct to buy a 3 BHK. So 3 BHK, a big size, around 1200 area with a big complex 7-story tower, and your kitchen, bathroom, everything is so big, spacious, walking wardrobe space, 3 bedroom, 2 master bedroom, 1 common. So do contact me for more details. With this flat we have got one stilt parking, a big size in which you can park your 2 cars also. The price for this is 1 crore, which is also very good negotiation.